What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to Stocks by the Numbers. And I just wanted to take a quick look at AMC, do a little video here, because I know you guys, you're reading about it, you're seeing it on the forums and the threads and whatnot, so everyone wants to jump in. It's going to be the next GameStop. It's going to go from 10 to over 9,000, and that's really not how it happens. So we're looking at a market cap here of $7 billion. I'm looking at a very high beta of almost 2. They're losing $2 a share. Earnings are coming out early, mid-August, basically almost the same day as SoFi. So we come down here, we see some slight beats, a meet, and we have a slight miss. This looks a little high right here. It says August 8th, they're coming out. We switch over to TradingView. We're looking at what? It says August 11th, estimate minus 20 cents a share, and over $1 billion in revenue. I don't know if a title came out, a certain movie or something like that, but I don't know. It just seems a little extreme. I mean, I know it's, the nicer months and people might be going out, but I don't know if I would go to a movie. I mean, movies cost an arm and a leg now, and with convenience, with technology, streaming services, they're just making it easier and easier for people to just sit in their homes, get together with some friends, and you just pull it up on your TV or even pull it up on your phone. And you could sit there for a couple of hours without having to go to the theater, without having to spend, money hand over fist, and you can watch a new title, a new franchise movie, and you can enjoy yourself in the comfort of your own home or someone else's home. But right now, a company like this, AMC, I personally wouldn't touch it, because just giving an overview, we come down here earning $5.5 billion, even though the income and profit margin is absolutely terrible on this revenue that they're bringing in. And then, there you go, monkey. And now we switch over here. Obviously, this was the pandemic. They took a massive hit. They brought in about 25% of what they usually do. And then we move to 2021. They're up to $2.5 billion. And right now the stock is trading with a market cap of about $7 billion. So definitely could be viewed as overvalued from that standpoint. However, this is a 5-year chart that I pulled up here. And this right here at $3, this is March 2020, right? So that's when all this BS started. And if you just cover your hand on the right side of that chart and you look to the left from this point, you will see a stock that was at $20, slowly selling off in a downtrend. I mean, look at this. This is a max chart going back to 2013, right? This was like the height of cinema, you can say. Boom, 2015, 2016, it's rising, $30, $32, $35 a share here. And then basically just slow, steady free fall right there. That is mid-March. Right there. That is mid-March at $3.19 a share. Right? So 2016, you're at $35 a share. You come to the ball dropping in 2020, you're at $4 a share, or whatever the heck it was. And there's a reason for this. Again, movies have gotten very expensive. It is not a necessity. It is a luxury. And we have all the streaming services at home now. So everyone could just watch whatever they want, whenever they want. They can pause it, rewind, fast forward. You're doing it in the comfort of your own home, and it doesn't cost an arm and a leg. So a situation like this, in an economy like this, it's going to be companies like AMC that suffer. All right? I mean, gas has tripled. I love when they show, the price of bacon and corn and all these things on the news, and everything's up, 15, 28%, 42% of where it was a couple of years ago. I mean, these aren't small numbers. When you see, 2, 3, 4% bumps, they say on average, the rate of inflation is between 2 and 4%. Right? So year over year, if you're seeing 2, 3% increases in prices, you notice them, but at the same time, it really doesn't hurt your pockets as much. And you're basically kind of able to keep up with these increasing expenses. Now, in an economy like this, situation like this, trust me, I can bet you any amount of money you want that everyone and their brother will definitely pick putting gas in their automobile as opposed to dropping, $80, $120 to, go to the movies with somebody. It's just not worth it. It's just not worth it at the end of the day. Now, I know a lot of people do have that disposable income. And listen, more power to you. God bless. Enjoy yourselves. Not saying you shouldn't enjoy life. But I'm talking about the average person, the average middle-class person, working-class person, has been seeing everything across the board increase. And, something like going to the movies is just not in your mind right now. It's just not a priority. So, long term, I do think it's going to still pull back. Because remember, this massive amount of volume coming in and this massive squeeze up here to 50, look at this, 59 and a quarter. I mean, that just shouldn't have happened. That was stimulus money, and that was, other big boys and money managers panicking to, scramble and cover their short position. Because, this thing was basically a stick in the mud, free-falling, look at this, $4 here beginning of March, even 7 that February 6, end of February, and a few years before that, it was $30, $33, $35. So there's a reason why companies like this have been slowly bleeding over the years. So, I may be right, I may be wrong, leave it in the comments section down below if you think, you agree with me and you should stay away from AMC right now. Let me know down in the comments section if you think I'm crazy and you think it's a buy and you think it's going to go to 50. Just let us know down in the comments section below. But again, just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a different slant, a little bit of a different perspective on a company that I know everyone's talking about. And remember, just because you buy it today at 13, 13 and a half, and you want it to go higher, doesn't mean it will. So once again, this is Stocks by the Numbers. I want to thank you guys for stopping by. It really means a lot to me. If you guys can, hit the thumbs up, hit the like. Helps out the algorithm. Helps increase a little bit of traffic coming to the channel. Hit the subscribe button if you like the content I'm putting out. And like I always say, I know it's volatile. I know it's rocky. So moving forward, I hope everyone stays sharp. I hope everyone makes a couple of dollars. And thanks for stopping by.